Today I'll be showing an unboxing of the Soltech Full Spectrum Grove grow lights. When Soltech first announced these lights, I remember thinking this is perfect for cabinets. Although the price point is a little bit higher than the other grow lights that we're familiar with, seeing them in person, I do see why they are priced at this range, and so I do want to share some features. The lights currently come in two different colors, black and white. They can be mounted either through adhesive or screws that are included. They also include these 4-wall fair leads to help you manage your cables and an outlet timer. These magnetic mounting brackets snap on and connect to a 6-foot power supply cable and has a warm white shine. We really wanted to use it in one of our cabinets. This one is the Rudsta Tall, and I used the adhesive mounts to test it out. The light can also rotate, is touch activated, and you can dim to your preference. I am loving how minimal it looks, and I can't wait to try it out in our AKERBAR, which we'll be posting another video soon.